of the Chevy farm, Westgate Chevrolet.
Hey guys, Shannon Stuht down at Westgate Chevrolet, currently inside keeping warm in the middle of winter. Next to my newest, most wonderful customer, Iman. She just purchased this new 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. It's the RS model, as you can see here, so it's the top of the trim line, the nicest one you can possibly get, with the beautiful black paint with the red roof. There's tons of vehicles out there, there's lots of features, but on this one particular, I'd like to go over with you the luminescent power liftgate. With just a swift kick of your foot under the vehicle, the liftgate will rise, and you can put your stuff in, be it your hands are full or that type of thing. So come on with us. Hey guys, here now in our showroom, I've got our Trailblazer. As I approach with the key fob in proximity, you'll notice our illuminated Chevy Trailblazer bow tie emblem lights right up for us. And just with one kick of my foot and a forward kicking motion, the tailgate will open up for us, allowing us, like I said, if your hands are full, to put your stuff in. Not only that, with another kick and just a pause, you'll notice the lights will flash, indicating to get out of the way. Our tailgate would shut. Once again, Shannon down at Westgate Chevrolet, showing you some of the very exciting features we have with our new vehicles. Please explore our channel and our page for more content, and call me at my cell if I can give you any more personal info. 780-266-1679. Once again, Shannon, Westgate Chevrolet.
Legend of the Chevy farm, Westgate Chevrolet.
Make your deal today.